The SenStyles Kids Trampoline ST-100 is designed with safety in mind, featuring a comprehensive safety net and dual foam-covered handles that provide extra stability for young bouncers. This trampoline is easy to assemble, taking only 20 to 30 minutes, thanks to its clear instructions and minimal parts, making it accessible even for first-time users. With a 60-inch diameter, this trampoline offers ample space for children aged 1 to 8, supporting up to 220 pounds, encouraging physical development and fun. The trampoline's sturdy construction includes thick steel tubes and a padded edge, ensuring a stable and quiet bouncing experience whether used indoors or outdoors. The adjustable horizontal bar grows with your child, featuring 3 height settings, which makes it a versatile choice for families with children at different stages of development. Tested to meet ASTM standards, this trampoline is perfect for gifting, providing a safe and enjoyable play option that easily transitions between indoor and outdoor settings.